Welcome back to the Car Updates. BMW has retained the essence of the i8's futuristic design while refining it for a more modern look. The low-slung, aggressive stance remains, but the 2025 model features sharper lines and a more sculpted body. The iconic butterfly doors are still a focal point, adding an element of drama every time you step in and out of the car. The front fascia has been redesigned with slimmer laser headlights and a larger kidney grille with active shutters for improved aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. The rear end is equally striking, with new taillight designs and an integrated rear diffuser to enhance downforce. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW i8 features a completely revamped plug-in hybrid powertrain. The combination of a turbocharged inline-3 engine and an electric motor now produces a combined output of around 550 horsepower, a significant increase over the previous generation's 369 horsepower. The electric motor is now more powerful, delivering quicker acceleration and a more immediate throttle response. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and handling precision, with power distributed intelligently between the front and rear axles. The i8's battery capacity has been increased to provide a longer all-electric driving range. The new battery pack now offers up to 40 miles of electric-only driving, making it more practical for daily commutes without relying on the gasoline engine. BMW has also improved the charging capability, with DC fast charging allowing the battery to be replenished from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. This increased electric range not only boosts efficiency, but also makes the i8 more versatile for eco-conscious drivers. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, even under hard acceleration or in challenging road conditions. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement in the floor, enhances cornering dynamics and overall balance. The suspension system has been re-engineered with adaptive dampers that automatically adjust to road conditions and driving style, ensuring a comfortable yet engaging ride. BMW has equipped the 2025 i8 with a sophisticated driving mode selector, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and eco-pro modes. In sport mode, the gasoline engine and electric motor work together to deliver maximum performance, with sharper throttle response and tighter steering feel. In eco-pro mode, the system prioritizes electric power and energy regeneration to maximize efficiency. The i8 also features a new boost mode, activated by pulling back on the steering wheel paddles, which temporarily increases power output for overtaking or spirited driving. Inside, the 2025 BMW i8 showcases a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest iDrive infotainment system, displayed on a curved 14.9-inch touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, and over-the-air software updates. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and driving mode information. A head-up display projects critical driving information onto the windshield, keeping the driver focused on the road. Seating comfort has been improved with new sports seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara. The seats are highly adjustable, offering both heating and ventilation options. The interior is trimmed with sustainable materials, including recycled plastics and natural fibers,